Introducing the Lance 1995, a lightweight, high-tech travel trailer ready for year-round adventure. The Lance is designed with durable aircraft-grade aluminum, accented by the front cap's Skyview front window and LED strip lighting. Tackle tough ground with a power tongue jack and 4-corner stabilizing jacks. Stay dry under a full-length power awning with rain gutters, and leave no gear behind thanks to a pass-through storage area with dedicated slide-out tray. The Lance 1995 is ready for all seasons, engineered with tinted thermopane pane windows and additional slide-out awning to repel falling debris. Enjoy the added security of a keyless entry with electronic fob, plus the smooth ride of a Goodyear radial tire and easy maintenance thanks to the full-length rear ladder. In the kitchen, you'll be impressed with the oversized sink, flush-mount 3-burner range with vent hood and oven, plus a 6-cubic-foot double-door refrigerator. Wind down from a long week at the office in a plush living area featuring warm, soft lighting. Store extra gear in the large pantry and catch a movie on the 28-inch LED TV. The bedroom also features a deluxe queen innerspring mattress, LED reading lights, plus his and hers wardrobe storage with side-by-side nightstands. Past a luxurious leather-bound U-shaped dinette, you'll find the bathroom featuring a porcelain foot flush toilet, mirrored medicine cabinet, and a large skylight shower with wall-mounted towel racks. You'll love the Lance 1995 at Curtis Trailers, where our business has been your vacation since 1948.